Alright, so we're here today. We're going to start working on the outside. This is today's project. I'm going to put this tarp on the roof, and then we'll decide if we're going to caulk it this year or next year. I'm definitely going to paint the roof with Flex Seal. So the only reason why I haven't covered it yet is because I was seeing if there's any water damage, because when I bought it, it had some minor water damage. So I just wanted to see if it still had it. I think basically they fixed it, and then basically they never fixed the walls with the wallpaper that was on there or whatever. So basically I've had this for 2 years, I think. So there's no water leaking, so it wasn't like a major thing that I had to do. But I'm definitely gonna decide if I'm gonna do it this year or next year. But we're definitely gonna Flex Seal and paint the roof, the whole entire roof, and we're gonna caulk all the things that need to be caulked. But today, for now, we're just gonna just tarp it. I'm on the roof. King of the castle, king of the castle, king of the castle over here. Oh yeah, I'm on the roof. Wish me luck. Alright, so basically I got most of it covered. I'm just gonna finish covering that. It definitely has to get painted. The whole thing is painted. Then I have to caulk around these things. I also gotta buy a new one of these things. But for the most part, it's pretty much like straight. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna finish doing this and get down from here. Alright. So ended up being a late night. So we got this tarp on. It's temporarily because we did all that work. We didn't want to like start getting water inside until we get the roof done. The roof will get painted at some point. I got other projects to do, so I might not be able to do it this year. But definitely first thing next year, I'm painting the roof, caulking the roof and painting the roof, and then we're gonna work our way down. But right now we're gonna do like minor, like simple stuff. Probably like the bulbs and all that stuff. We'll move the top out of the way as we start working on the outside. But yeah, I think the best thing to do, we did all that work in the interior. There's no way we want to get water in there. It has to go through the rest of this summer. It's been rainy days, and then we're gonna go through all winter, and then next year we'll do the roof. But we'll see what we're doing out here. We'll do some stuff out here. Then after that, we go back in the interior. We're gonna go do the backsplash countertop and table. But as we go, we'll figure out what else we could do. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.